How to fix WMPnetwk.exe high CPU and memory usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Disable Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. This service runs in the background to enable media sharing, but if you don't use it, stopping it can free up system resources immediately. Restart your computer and check Task Manager. Fix 2. Update Windows. A recent update might have destabilized the service, but a newer patch could stabilize it, reducing excessive CPU or memory demands. Fix 3. Uninstall conflicting media software. Other media players or streaming apps might interfere with the network sharing service, causing unexpected resource spikes, so make sure you disable them. Fix 4. Update audio and network drivers. Outdated drivers can create inefficiencies that amplify the service's resource consumption, and updating them can restore balance. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.